Meaning of epistolary.
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 Epistolary. The word epistolary is an adjective that refers to something related to or contained in letters, especially a literary work that is written in the form of letters exchanged between characters. This type of literature can offer a unique perspective as readers are given access to the intimate thoughts and feelings of the characters through their correspondence. Epistolary novels were most popular in the 18th century but have continued to be used by authors in various genres. Today, the term epistolary can also refer to any communication that takes place through written letters or messages.